There are many foods that can help improve memory. Some of the best food for memory includes number one, oily fish. Fatty fish such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Omega-3 helps to protect the brain from damage and improve communication between nerve and cells. The second one is berries. Berries such as blueberries, raspberries, and strawberries are packed with antioxidants that can help protect the brain from damage. Berries also contain antioxidants, which are plant compounds that have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. The next one is green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables such as spinach, kale, and collard greens are rich in vitamins and minerals that are essential for brain health. These vegetables are also a good source of antioxidant and folate, which has been shown to improve memory. The next one is nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and chia seeds are a good source of healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. These foods can help to improve memory and cognitive function. The next one is whole grains. The whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, and oats are a good source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This food can help to improve memory and cognitive function. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate contain antioxidants that can help protect the brain from damages. Dark chocolate also contains flavonoids, which have been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. In addition to eating a healthy diet, there are other things you can do to improve your memory, such as getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, and avoiding stress. Here are some additional tips for improving your memory. The first one is get enough sleep. When you are well rested, you were better able to learn and remember new information. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps to improve blood flow to the brain, which can help to improve memory and cognitive function. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most of the day or week. Avoid stress. Stress can lead to memory problems. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, or yoga. The next one is challenge your brain. Keep your brain active by learning new things, playing games, and reading. Get regular checkups. If you have any concern about your memory, talk to your doctor. There may be an underlying medical condition that is causing your memory problems. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel for more information.